Hey guys, I just thought today I would give you a sample of some of the things that I've made, and I will probably be doing resin tutorials on. These are some of the freeform type jewelry dishes, trinket dishes, I guess. And I live in the Bible Belt, so we have these beautiful crosses just with glitter in this little mold here. We have all these will be magnets. I don't know, I may not do those. Those are mainly from leftover resin. These are magnets from this little mold here. I have all these little cloud ones. And a couple of other things. Some of these have charms in them. So I'll probably be covering that at some point. These little guys here, so cute. I'll leave the link of the woman that makes those on Etsy down below. I have this pretty coaster with the shells in it this is just using white pinata ink and pearl ink. I just wanted to see what putting the two of them together would do. And that's what came up. It's pretty. And this is the thing I showed you before with the pearlized alcohol inks. This is my soap dish. I'm going to do that probably my next tutorial. I don't know yet. And I'm going to be using this to mold it. It's curved, as you can see. So then I have things like, let me see, where can I put this? This cute little trivet tray with this little one of SimpliiiCreations, one of her little gingerbreads. And here's one of her little turtle. Isn't that cute? These here, I found these on eBay years ago, and her mother was making them every night, and I bought them all because they're so cute. But I doubt that she's still around. I mean, that was years ago. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these these beautiful rainbow coasters. Big coasters, though. I've got several different things I can try and show you as I'm doing them. They're just so beautiful. Boy. And these are the backs. Even the backs are pretty on these. Look at that. Oh, and I will be doing embedding fabric in coasters here. I don't have any more of this. I haven't got enough of this fabric to make any more, but I can show you these. They're so cute. I have no idea what that fabric was called. It's old, so. Then I'm going to probably do either this set here as a wine kind of a set of coasters, or this set here. These are supposedly Christmas fabrics that I got years ago. And I have these beautiful soap molds. Unfortunately, they're matte. They're not shiny. So everything comes out matte. But I've used Mod Podge with sparkles in them to try to bring out. I even drew in that one to try to bring out the design. They pretty. And then I've made these into ornaments, Christmas ornaments. So that's a preview of, oh, this here. I've got some of these really pretty birches on wood that there are people on YouTube that can show you how to do that. But this is what mine turned out like. The backgrounds, you just put 3 colors together and blend them. And then roll your yarn in a wet line of white acrylic. And then just roll it across. Oh, so simple. Anyway, I'm going to pause this and then I'm going to go outside. So out here I have my rocks that I've left out here for like a couple of years, and I used Gorilla Glue and stuff I've made just to glue them to the rocks, and they're along the railing out here. This was an earring, and I didn't feel like making another one, so I just used it. I hate to do anything twice, so I actually took a bunch of stuff and glued it all on the rock. And let's see, got one here. That was a necklace I made. Now it's stuck to a rock. Here's another one of Simpliii's cute that little worm, caterpillar. I also make these really pretty, I don't know if I can get them in this video, these really pretty garden ornaments, I guess. And I just hang them wherever. Buck hasn't gotten mad at me yet, so I guess it's okay. Here's another one. A lot of beadwork on that one. Is this focusing? I don't know. And this one with the purple. And this was a weird one. Oh, here's another one of her. Look at that with the little unicorn on it. Isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness. And her little mermaid here. I made this thing back here and I didn't know what to do with it. So I just glued it on there to make it look like water. And here's another one. And here's one. Can you see these colors? I don't know. That's all red. Charms from when I did bracelets and stuff, you know. Here's one. Here's one. Here's a little grape one. This was really pretty. Whoop. Just Gorilla Glue. This is a snap bead here. Boy, those are beautiful. And this is another one, snap bead. Incorporated with my seed bead work. Here's another one of Simpliii's gingerbread little girl with another snap bead thing. This is a winter one. I'm going to have to bring this one in. Yep. I'm going to pause this again while I go to the deck. Okay. And here's a little yellow one with the snap button in the middle. I made a bracelet and glued it on here. I put too much ink on this one, on the flowers. See, it leaked. Yeah, goofed. This is a pretty one here. I got these Dichroic Beads from Etsy years ago. I don't know if she's still making them or somebody else is. Can you see? So beautiful. I have a few of these out here too, these little garden bracelets or whatever you want to call them. Deck bracelets. Here's a pink one. And this is just mosaic tiles and little stuff glued to the rock. Here's another one. I don't know if these are coming out well or not. We'll see. I'll probably still even put this video on YouTube, even though it's probably a mess. Here's a pretty one, orange. I used to do all this beadwork with like looking like Pandora beads, you know. And there's another rock. Oh, that's not a very good one. Here's a little, oh, my unicorn got dirty. So, this is another, I don't know what you call them. I used to have a chandelier. I took all the chandelier crystals off, and now I'm using them my stuff. This poor little bird has seen better days. Okay, here's the last one. So I'm going to go take all this back in the house and put it on YouTube, okay? All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.